show you a stretch that is really useful and effective following mastectomy or radiation treatment.
Begin by lying on your back with your knees bent up. Hold a cane between both hands placed about shoulder width apart. Gradually raise your arms up and back until a gentle stretch is felt in the outer chest, armpit and shoulder areas. Avoid hitching the top of your shoulders up towards your ears. Be sure to stop at the first sign of any pain or discomfort and do not push further. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds before slowly lowering your arms again. The stretch may be varied by holding the cane with your hands placed further apart. You will now feel the stretch more at the front of your chest and shoulder. As you repeat this exercise 5 to 10 times each session, tight scar tissue and adhesions are gently stretched. Your ability to raise your arm comfortably will gradually improve.
So my name is Susan DeSlip and I'm a physiotherapist at Go Physiotherapy Sports and Wellness Centre in Vancouver. For more information, go to our website at gophysiotherapy.ca.